Hey everyone, today let's dive into the word capsized. Capsized is a verb that means to overturn or tip over, especially when talking about a boat or ship. When a boat capsizes, it flips over in the water, and that's never a good situation. Some synonyms for capsized are overturned, flipped, and upended. Antonyms would be upright, steady, and balanced, basically when a boat stays right side up. Let me give you some examples to make it clear. The small boat capsized during the storm, but luckily everyone was rescued. He lost his balance, causing the canoe to capsize in the lake. The fishing vessel capsized after hitting a large wave. Strong winds made it difficult to control the sailboat and it eventually capsized. So that's the word capsized. It's a useful term if you are into boating or water sports, but hopefully you will not have to experience it yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more word tips. See you next time.